Have you ever looked at your houseplants and thought, could this little guy become a bonsai? Well, you're not alone. Turning everyday indoor plants into beautiful bonsai trees might sound like a challenge, but it's actually much easier than you think. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a complete beginner, there are certain plants that practically beg to be transformed into miniature trees. And today, I'm going to show you which ones are perfect for turning your indoor garden into a bonsai paradise. So let's get started. First up, we've got the Jade Plant. This is a classic when it comes to bonsai. With its thick woody stems and vibrant green leaves, it already looks like a miniature tree. Not only is it a joy to care for, but it also symbolizes growth and renewal. It's the perfect addition to any space, and you'll be amazed how easy it is to start shaping it into the perfect bonsai. The desert rose, or Ionium, is a true showstopper. It's not just about its bulbous swollen stem, but also its gorgeous seasonal flowers. These plants naturally have a bonsai-like appearance, making them a great choice if you're aiming for something that requires minimal effort but delivers maximum impact. Just make sure to give it plenty of sunlight to keep it thriving. For those of you looking for a little good luck in your life, the money tree, or Pachira aquatica, is a fantastic option. With its thick braided trunk and glossy green leaves, it's a striking plant that's not only beautiful, but also believed to bring prosperity and good fortune. A money tree bonsai will certainly add a touch of elegance to your home. Now let's talk about the Chiffa. This one's got some personality. With its umbrella-like leaves, this plant can easily be trained into a beautiful bonsai. It's especially fun to experiment with braiding the trunks, adding that extra touch of uniqueness. Whether you go for a single trunk or a multi-trunk style, the Chiffa is versatile and makes a stunning bonsai. Another great option is the tree Ionium, known for its rosette-shaped leaves. With its succulent stubby form, it's an eye-catching addition to any bonsai collection. If you're going for a minimalist yet bold statement, the tree Ionium is a perfect fit for that aesthetic. Ficus Benjamina, or the weeping fig, is a popular choice for bonsai enthusiasts. Its droopy branches and glossy leaves make it resemble a miniature tree that's thriving in the wild. This one does grow slowly, but with some patience, you'll see it develop into a beautiful bonsai with cascading branches. For a more aromatic addition to your collection, consider Rosemary. Not only will it transform into a charming bonsai with its woody stems, but you can also use the fresh leaves in your cooking. With just a little trimming, it can look top-heavy, resembling a full-grown tree in miniature form. Next, we have the elephant bush, or Portulacaria afra. Known for its small, delicate leaves and bright, variegated colors, this plant is another great choice for bonsai. Its strength, combined with its subtle beauty, makes it the perfect for a beginner's bonsai project. Plus, it's a low-maintenance plant that will thrive with just a little attention. And finally, we have the Hawaiian umbrella tree, or Chiffa actinophila. This plant's larger leaves make it ideal for creating a bold tropical look in your bonsai collection. Despite its size, it's easy to maintain and can be miniaturized into a lush green focal point for your indoor space. There you have it, a variety of indoor plants that make fantastic, easy to care for bonsai trees. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant lover, these options are sure to spark your creativity and transform your home into a peaceful green oasis. So which plant will turn into your next bonsai project? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!